Hello guys and welcome back to the Cars World, and again we are showing you a very exclusive car, or rather very old car. So this is almost this is two, I don't know how many decades, yeah, but this must be of my grandfather's or maybe how many years old. So let's begin. This car looks absolutely gorgeous in this red color, and it is mind blowing. It looks such a cute, such an adorable car. I can't even express. So let's begin. And yeah, when you see this car as well, halogen, and yeah, I forgot to tell you in excitement, this is a Maruti Deluxe DX, which later turned to be Maruti 800 car. The platform was same. So let's begin. Black bumper out there and indicators there, and yeah, nothing much. The ground clearance is not very high as such, but yeah, it is all metal. And this car was mainly a computer over an luxury, but at that time owning this car was very luxurious, and it was considered as a very status symbol at that time. Yeah, Maruti 800 was considered as a status symbol long time back. So yeah, some cuts and creases out here. You can see air vents for I don't know for what use when it had with such a small engine. So indicators on the side, very classic, and no alloy wheels. The tire size also very small, 12 inches. So that is a point to consider, and overall the car looks okay. No RVMs. I don't know was there something of for RVMs or not, but right now in this car we don't have any RVMs. No, nothing. Simple car just to commute from one place to another. Insert the key, get the entry, that's it. And yeah, very simplistic and minimalistic design as such for this car to consider at this price point, which was way back, and it looks so gorgeous, very squarish and very hexagonal as such. But yeah, this car has a very nice appeal and looks so gorgeous. Just look at this car. So yeah, as you can know by the number only how old this car is. So yeah, it is quite good. It's very squarish lights, tail lamps. So let's check out this car. So there's a trick if you want to open the boot, and the trick is you can't just lift this whole up. What you can do is lift this glass up, and the glass is quite heavy considering it is a glass. And yeah, there was nothing of the concept. It is a body cover as such, and the boot is very small, which you can expect. And that is the overlook of the dashboard of the car. So that's it. Let's go inside and check the car out. And no fake exhaust, nothing, just a simple exhaust pipe. So yeah, it is quite good. Checking the car from inside, then you see it has got some basic thing which were like in the latest 800 also when it came. So just a small armrest and totally unusable, and no power windows, just a manual stuff. And or it's a nice cabin and very stockish as such. Here is the overlook of the cabin, and no height adjustment for the steering wheel. So the steering wheel is so thin, as you can see. It is really very thin, almost so thin, like maybe as thin as a lady's finger, not as lady finger, like. So you know what I mean to say. That's the overall of the dashboard, totally analog thing. And I don't know what was the use of such a big fuel meter. No RPM meter on offer, small storage spaces, and what, look out there, red pedal for the accelerator. Are you trying to make the driver rev it or something? Gear lever is also very basic. So interior is very basic. Plastic quality is good considering the fact it is a very old car. And as such, the car looks very gorgeous from inside. No armrest, manual handbrakes which you can offer. The seats are wide enough considering the fact it is a very old car, but it lacks side bolstering support, which you can expect as well. So let's check out the rear seat. So considering the rear seat and the rear door is okay, quite good, quite yeah, some basic things. But why the heck armrest is placed all over upside? Why not here, just give it here like the front armrest? So yeah, it is a good. And yeah, this is a good and almost none space, so we won't be sitting inside, but it is basic. And this engine is still starts, so you can know. Let me just start the engine for you right now. So this is the key of the car, not this one. So yeah, just put it inside, and it is a direct straight place for the key. And yeah, here it will now, and yeah, it gets up to life really quick and fast. So yeah, that's the engine for you. Get in the engine noise, and the speedometer shows still 140. And yeah, this was the AC. At that time AC was also a luxury. So that's it. If you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.